the rarest astronomical events of 2024. These are once-in-a-lifetime spectacles you simply can't miss. First up, mark your calendars for April 8th, when a total solar eclipse will sweep across North America. Imagine the awe of witnessing day turn into night as the moon completely covers the sun. But that's not all. In August, we're in for a treat with the Perseid meteor shower, expected to be one of the most dazzling displays in years, thanks to a moonless sky. And get this, later in October, we'll see an annular solar eclipse, forming a spectacular ring of fire visible from parts of the United States. Finally, closing out the year, keep your eyes peeled for a rare conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in December. These gas giants will appear so close together that they'll look like a double planet. Don't miss these celestial wonders. They're experiences you'll remember forever.